That's a huge storm that we're about to get hit from. There's another one over there, over a little bit more towards the camp, that we're probably going to get hit from. But that's the big storm. That's the one that we need to watch out from. All the boats are racing home. You can probably hear the thunder in the background. You probably saw that flash lightning right across the lake, straight ahead, from a couple seconds ago. Alright, here comes the wind. It's gonna start soon. We need to get the big hot dog in. Alright, see ya. Woo! Alright, never mind. Alright, I'm gonna take a movie of this storm. We need to get the hot dog in. I feel all the warm, humid air coming in. It's nice. Look at that water, pitch black. Beautiful. Here comes the wind. Here comes the storm! Where's Ava? Ow! All the boats are going to be quarantined. It's wicked windy. Here goes the hot dog! Ava! Help me! Look at that turning right now. See it turning. It's all pointing that way. Alright. Me and Ava are going to take the hot dog in. So I'm going to try to be a good photo person. Well, we get the hot dog in. Can you try to like driving it? Alright. Hold on. Sorry about the camera. Alright. Look at all the boats. They're all I think the storm's going to miss us, but that's the one that we need to worry about. Can you help us? Hold on, let me get in the bag. No! Sorry, folks. This is a really big storm. I'm trying to get our Christmas gift that our mama gave us under the porch. So don't mind the waviness of my camera. Sorry, folks. It's starting to white cap, so come on, Ava, help me! Alright, can you handle it? I'm trying to take the movie. My mom's gonna help Abe with the hot dog, so I'm gonna give you guys a movie. Or you can probably hear all the wind, and boy, it is wicked. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna try to do this. So don't mind my hands. I need to check the water. It's really starting to get wavy now, so I should be careful out here. Hey, we need to get the table! Hold on, folks, I need to bring our table in. Oh, did you see that, folks? The big flash of lightning. See all that to see how long I can stay out without getting my camera soaked. Holy mackerel, it's getting wicked windy now. Oh, see that, folks? Big flash lightning. I feel bad for those people over there. Really bad. Okay, we're going to do it from the porch. I'm trying to take a movie. That's a big storm. All rain. Okay, I'm going to try not to get my camera wet because it's starting to rain. I'm going to go under the porch so it doesn't get wet. The power's off?
It's already out.
No, it's not.
That one's out.
The TV's out. TV's on. Alright, folks. We're losing a little bit of electricity, but not all of it. So, it's going to be bad. Yeah, it's really starting to rain. I'm going to try not to get my camera wet. It's been a great day, but now it's starting to get a little bit yucky, so. Alright, here comes some more wind. That means more rain. Hold on to your hats. Oh man, it's getting pouring. It's gonna start pouring any minute now. See all that dark blue right there? Starts right there. That's all rain, and it's coming right towards us. See all that? That's pouring rain. Just flash of lightning over there. Our power's gonna probably go out. So watch that light. It's probably gonna go out. Oh man, I just heard the whole house shake. Look at that. Move the water. The wind moved the water. Crazy wind. It's gonna pour. Pour. Absolutely pour. Because all over there is rain. Alright, I'm gonna just set my camera down in here for a couple minutes because I need to tell my mom that we need to bring the paddle boat in so it doesn't get, like, sunk. Mom? Oh yeah, the flag! Hold on, folks, I'm going into the house. This is the house. This is the kitchen. Pretty rustic. But it works. That's my sister Ava. Hi. She's a little bit weird. Mom! Mom! I think we should bring the paddle boat in because it's pouring on the other side of the lake. Yeah. Hold on a minute. Alright, I'm going to close these. There's some of them. Not all of them. That one's fun. But it's really these side ones that I should close. And this one too. Mom? I really think we should bring the paddle boat in. Sorry folks, it's getting a little bit. I know I'm not a very good. Oh, Ava, yeah, we need to bring the paddle boat in. I can't get that. Oh, look at the fire. It's like stirring up dust. It's getting really windy now. Wicked windy. It even hurts my legs when the rain hits me. Sorry about my hand. But it is pouring. I think. glimpses of like raindrops over there. So we're probably gonna get hit by a couple minutes. Oh, we really should bring a paddle boat in. Look it. Alright, we need to bring the paddle boat in, so I'm just gonna set, like, I'm gonna try to take the movie. This is like our biggest storm yet this season. So, excuse me, but our dock is getting like major wrecked. We're all really after this. It's starting to pour. Really, look, you can't even see the other side of the lake. Oh, geez, it's really starting to rain now. Alright, let's see. Yeah, we're gonna get soaked. The rain actually hurts. It's really annoying. Look at that boat doesn't even have a cover on it. So I need to figure something out. Stop! Stop getting windy. It's not windy anymore. Okay, now it's gonna start pouring. And here comes the wind again. Alright, it's going to start thundering, so I better get in the house.
Okay, you want to take in the paddle boat?
Yeah, it's starting to get like wicked choppy.
Alright.
But it's...
How are we going to take it in? What, are we going to put it on the dock and carry it up?
I guess so.
Where's the canoe?
In the water.
Oh boy, let's go. We'll take them. Come on.
Ava!
No, she's taking a shower.
Oh my gosh.
Turn the lights on. Maybe those lights on, Bud? Oh my goodness.
Oh. Poor flowers, huh? That canoe can't take all the, like... See, that rain's gonna, like... Should we just, like, ride them over there?
No. Pull it up.
Hold on, how?
Grab the side.
Hold on a minute. I'm gonna put my camera right here. Okay, so you guys can watch us while we're taking the... it's starting to pour. We need to go, Mom. Start it up quick. It's starting to pour. Here comes the rain. That's gonna get us. What? Yeah, do it over. All right, we need to get out of here.
Come on, dude, in the house. Let's go.
It's pouring!
Come on, big boy, let's go. It's gonna blow over.
I don't think so. Hi, I'm Joe. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. Let me just clean my camera. Sorry. Oh, there's a big flash of lightning. Pouring. Just pouring. Hear that? I just felt the whole house shake. Alright. I'm going to stop the movie here, folks. I'm going to stop the movie here and I'm going to check the weather. See how big the storm is. Bye.